So today we get to unbox two Lattafa perfumes that I've been super curious about. Peace and Love and The Kingdom for Her. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. So today I get to unbox these two perfumes and give you my very first impressions like we do. But before we get to that, there are some Lattafa perfumes that I recently have my hands on and I want to review them for you. I'm going to start with Art of Nature 1. I recently got my hand on a tester of this, like I promised that I was going to get a tester of Art of Nature 1. And I'm really impressed. I'm really glad I got this. It's making me want a full bottle. It opens up beautiful, sweet, fresh, floral. Then at the base, it has this beautiful oud and vanilla that just makes me fall in love deeper with the fragrance. Art of Nature 1 smells elevated. It smells different. It smells so unique. It doesn't smell like anything you will find every day. It smells really different, highly classy. It's a beautiful quality Lattafa perfume. It doesn't have that alcohol opening in the beginning. No, it doesn't sting your nose. It's really quality, high quality. The first time I smelled this, you know what I said? I said sweet, floral, vanilla, oud, creaminess. It has this sort of beautiful creaminess that just gives it that blend. It makes everything smell very well meshed, like they took their time with this one. It smells really amazing. I've already talked about the notes, but I'm still going to leave them on the screen. But in this perfume, you don't smell each one of those notes. They are totally blended together. They are meshed very well. It's well-rounded and well-blended, and it's not giving you any sharp edges. It's just really high quality. Art of Nature 1 is where it's at. I really like that. In fact, it's tempting me so much that I could actually get a full bottle. It's not yummy, sweet, fruity. It's not that. It's a complex blend of florals, vanilla, sweetness, and oud. And it smells so good. It smells like your generation has always had money, okay? Like you're high class. You don't belong to the masses. You take trips to places just to eat gelato ice cream, Art of Nature 1 is really good. It's beautiful. If you're wondering whether to buy Art of Nature 1 or 2, definitely Art of Nature 1. I'm still coming to 2, but Art of Nature 1 is amazing and it lasts super long. Lattafa Pride collections, they bring it when it comes to lasting power. It lasts very long. On your skin, it gives you around 7 hours on skin and will give you the entire day, 24 hours on your clothes. So no worries about the lasting power. As for the sillage and projection, if you wear this and you step into a room, people in that room will definitely be able to smell you. It's strong, it's powerful. It has performance because it's high quality. It has a lot of oils in there. It actually lasts long on your clothes. So if you step into that room, they will definitely know that a rich person has entered into the room. The oud, the vanilla, the florals, everything just meshes so beautifully to make this such a masterpiece. Art of Nature 1, it's good. It's really good. I'm impressed. However, when it came to Art of Nature 2, I wasn't that impressed. I didn't really like it at all. I still don't like it. It has this sharp opening. This sharp, crisp opening, not pleasant. Not a beautiful, pleasant opening. No, dry down is better. The dry down is floral, it's powdery, it's lovely. But the opening, I cannot seem to get through it. I just want to skip to the dry down. The opening is too sharp, it's too bright, it's too fresh, it's too crisp. It just stings my nose, it just turns me with that initial sharpness. It dries down beautifully though, I won't lie. It dries down into this beautiful floral, woodsy fragrance when it dries down, but I cannot get past the opening. The opening is intensely sharp, not that sweet and spicy. So it is sharp in the opening, it is floral, it is fresh, and then it dries down eventually into a vanillic, woodsy, musky, powdery scent. But the opening is too much for me. It gives me a headache with that sharpness and the spices in the opening. I think there's cardamom in this perfume because that sharpness just gives me a headache instantly. Once I smell this, I'm like, what is that? I don't want more of this. So the opening is not it. But if you can wait, wait about an hour, 30 minutes to an hour for it to dry down, then you get the beautiful, lovely, powdery, woodsy, floral sweetness of the perfume. And dry down is amazing, but I don't know what happened to the opening. I cannot deal with the opening. If you're thinking of buying this, it's 50-50. It's 50-50. If you don't mind perfumes that have this sharp, crisp, bright, fresh opening, then you can try Art of Nature too. But if you mind that, like I do, don't bother. Or you can just get a tester and see if you like the dry down enough for you to actually get the full bottle. So far so good. I'm good on this one. I'm okay. I don't like it that much, but it lasts long though. It lasts very, very long. On skin, it gives you around 7 to 8 hours, and on your clothes, 24 hours till the next day, 24 to 36 hours. You can still smell Art of Nature 2 on your clothes, so it will last you. Talk about lasting power, it will last you. Lattafa Pride perfumes, you know, they bring it in terms of quality, so it will definitely last long. As for projection, I'm surprised it doesn't actually project. It kind of just forms a bubble around you and stays closer to your space. You know, it's not the kind of perfume that announces your presence or people can easily notice you. It's not the type. Art of Nature 1 does that. Art of Nature 2 does not do that. It's because of the freshness and the fruits at the opening. It doesn't really project. It just forms a bubble around you and it stays closer to you. So the sillage is not extensive. The sillage is not powerful. It's not beastly. Art of Nature 1, it does a lot better in terms of sillage than Art of Nature 2. So choose whichever one, you know, rocks your boat. Whichever one you like between the two. I personally, I love Art of Nature 1 better than I like 2. And so I was able to lay my hands on Artisan Ethnique. And when I smelled this the first time, it instantly reminded me of Camera, the original Camera, not Camera Kawa. The coffee in Camera Kawa is much deeper than this, but the original Camera, the boozy, cinnamon, spicy thing that you have in Camera, this is what this instantly reminded me of. But with a few differences, you know, subtle differences. For example, Artisan Ethnique has more booziness. I know Camera is already boozy, yeah? But the booziness in Camera is not as intense as what we have in Artisan Ethnique. Because that aroma at the top, it smells really, really boozy, you guys. It smells boozy and sweeter, okay? So just take Camera, remove a bit of the spices, add a bit more sugar, add vanilla, add sweetness, add booziness, and you have Artisan Ethnique. I know it has notes of coffee and cocoa, but they don't really come to the top. What I really smell in here is a sweet, sugary sweet. It's a sugary, sweet, boozy, cinnamony fragrance. Boozy, cinnamon, a bit of florals, a bit of vanilla, because I can smell vanilla when it dries down. The vanilla comes through when it dries down. So sweetness, vanilla, florals. It's just like Camera with a little differences. Less spices, more sugar, more vanilla, less cinnamon, and more booze. That is what you have in Artisan Ethnique. And I'm really glad I didn't pick up a full bottle of this. As soon as I heard that it smells like Camera, I was like, I'm not having another Camera in my collection. And I'm really glad because the scent profile is super similar. The DNA is super similar. And I know I wouldn't have enjoyed having the same identical DNA in different bottles. Like, what is that? It is lovely though, it is beautiful. But one thing I will tell you is that it's not a gourmand. If you're expecting floral, sweet, sugary, vanilla type of fragrance, you won't get it in Artisan Ethnique. Just think about Camera and then add and subtract a bit of things. That's what you have in Artisan Ethnique. So it is not a gourmand, in my opinion. It is not even smelling like food at all, except you consider booze as food. It smells boozy, yeah. So aside from that, not a gourmand, just sugary sweetness, not a gourmand. So as for the lasting power, it does well. It does around 6 hours on your skin, and on clothes it will give you the entire 24 hours on your clothes. So you're good in terms of lasting power when it comes to Artisan Ethnique. And as for the projection, it's not intense. You know, Camera has massive projection, massive sillage. Artisan Ethnique doesn't have that. Maybe because the spices have been toned down. The projection is not beast mode like what you have in Camera. Camera projection is off the charts. But in Artisan Ethnique, it's just a bit mellowed down. It's like Camera mellowed down. Add and subtract a few things. That's just it. Do I like it? I like it. I don't love it, but I like it. Artisan Ethnique, it's a like for me, not a love. And so the final tester for this video, before we go to the unboxing, this is the Kingdom for him. Or the Kingdom Man. Lattafa didn't actually specify on the box, man or woman. Anyway, the masculine kingdom. Oh, it is definitely masculine. It is definitely masculine. It opens up very fresh and bright and crisp and sweet. It smells minty, you know, like very sweet mint. It smells like a man's soap. It doesn't really smell soapy though. It doesn't smell super soapy, but it smells fresh, you know, like a man's shampoo or a man's soap. You know, that crisp, fresh, blue smell. That's what you have in Kingdom for him. It would be nice for guys, you know, if you're a guy and you like fresh scents for the gym, If you like Aventus blue for him, you know, that kind of blue fresh fragrances, then you will love this one. It doesn't smell aquatic though. I would have expected that it will smell, you know, a bit aqueous or aquatic. It doesn't smell like water. It just smells like fresh soap. Not overly soapy because it dries down floral and sweet. It doesn't give me a headache, and the brightness is not too much. It's not like out there like what you have in Art of Nature 2. No, the kind of brightness and freshness that you have in here is actually calming. You know how refreshed you feel when you just get out of the bathroom, you just poured cool water all over your head, you just soaped up, you just showered, you feel clean, you feel fresh, you feel nice. This is how Kingdom for Him smells like. And I like it. The dry down is beautiful. It dries down beautifully, sweet, floral, lavender. I really enjoy the dry down. The dry down is the best part of the fragrance for me. Kingdom for Him, if you're a man and you're thinking of buying it, definitely go ahead. It's in that category of fresh blue fragrances that men like, but with a lot of florals and lavender. So you would definitely love this. As for lasting power, it lasts about 5 to 6 hours on skin, and on clothes it does 24 hours. But by the next day, you won't really smell it on your clothes. It doesn't do more than 24 hours for me on clothes. I don't know if you overspray and drench your clothes, you might get that, but 18 to 24 hours on clothes, and on skin 5 to 6 hours. That's what you get. It's not a beast mode long lasting scent. It's just a typical masculine perfume. So let's unbox the Kingdom for Her. I've had my eye on this for a while now, and I've been saying I'm gonna get it, and when I get it, I'll come here with a review for you. I got it, and I'm super duper excited. So it opens up beautifully like so, with the fragrance standing actually secure in here. Wow, she looks lovely. Baby girl looks lovely. She's minimalistic. There's not a lot going on, and I bet she smells really, really good, because I've heard this one actually smells high class. So let's find out. I smell fruity, juicy, sweet pear. I smell pear, I smell some florals, I smell musk. And it's powdery as well. We need to check the notes because this is delicious. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is really, really good. This is really good. It smells expensive. And it smells like something you can wear every day. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. It feels like a very versatile perfume. Oh, this is nice. It is powdery, it is sweet, it's a bit citrusy. It has that juicy fruity pear. That is the first thing you get as soon as you smell this. Juicy fruity pear. Then a bit of florals, sweetness, and powderiness. I like this. So far so good. I like this. I like this. According to the notes, it has blackcurrant, peony, and pear at the top, jasmine, praline, and tonka bean at the heart, then the base of vanilla, sandalwood, amber, and musk. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My nose never misses. What I really truly get is the florals, the musk, the sweetness, the pears. It's beautifully blended. It smells expensive. It smells high class. I like it. I actually really, really do like this. I like it. It's calm, it's mellow, it's for everyday wear. So far so good. I like the Kingdom for Her. So now we get to unbox Peace and Love from Lattafa Pride collection. Now this particular fragrance, I heard it is an inspiration of Sui Maliki from the house of Dries Van Noten. And I'm like, that perfume must be really, really special. It's a niche perfume house. And I was like, I cannot wait to get my nose on Peace and Love. And that's why I got a full bottle, because this one really, really intrigues me. And I really, really, truly cannot wait. Ooh, okay. Comes with the Lattafa pamphlet. And then you open the box like so. Ah, she's so cute. Bottle feels exquisite, high quality. I like it. So let's see. On first impressions, Peace and Love. Atomizer is beautiful. Atomizer is beautiful. I like that. I can just drench my... I don't want to wait for today. I already have fragrances on. Oh Oh, okay. Different. Like, I don't think I've smelled something like this before. Oh my God, that's good. That's really, really good. I smell vanilla. I smell florals. I smell fruits. And I smell spices. The notes at the top have bergamot, almond, and black currant. No wonder. Then at the heart you have rose and tuberose, the florals. Then at the base you have sandalwood, heliotrope, and vanilla. I like it. I like it very much, but I don't love it. I'm not falling in love instantly with it. It's a complex scent, and I think it's going to need time to macerate. But on first impressions, it smells really good. It smells elegant. It smells high quality. Yeah. I think I'm actually going to fall in love with this one. So far, I like it very much, but I don't love it yet. The creamy vanilla mixed with the roses and tuberose, the softness is just playing around with my nose, teasing me. So far, I like this. I think it's going to macerate into something really beautiful. I like it actually. Guys, I like it. I'm going to leave it to macerate and enjoy it, and then come back with a full review and maceration update for you. But it smells high quality, you know. Roses, if you like florals, you're definitely gonna love this perfume. Roses, a bit of fruitiness at the top, and then the vanilla and the sandalwood are giving it a soft landing. So far so good. It has potential to be very amazing, to be dope. I like it. I keep liking it more and more as time passes. I keep liking it more and more. I'm gonna come back with an updated review for you guys, a maceration update. I'm gonna come back. But so far, it's good. If you're considering it, yes, definitely get it. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's gonna layer beautifully. I'm already thinking of layering combinations in my head. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end, you guys. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.